everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, then welcome. So today, after all these days, I'm going to do another makeup tutorial, and this time it's going to be on a brand new palette that I'm very new to. Today is going to be a first impression because I've never used this palette. I just unboxed it, so I kind of came up with this look. It's a yellow and purple. So I got this amazing Morphe palette right here, and I'm going to use it to create this look here. I couldn't really think of much because these are some colors that I kind of don't really use in my everyday, makeup. I actually use everything natural, kind of neutral colors. Summer is coming to an end, but that doesn't stop me from doing amazing summer vibe makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please continue watching.
Alright, so you guys, I'm starting off with this nice purple lavender like color. It's called Maddie Don't Like, and I'm applying that to my crease, and I'm just blending it out just like normal, how you would with any other kind of color. I'm just going to do that with both of the eyes, and then I'm going on to the next color.
Using the same brush, I'm just going in and I'm going to stay at the crease right here, and I'm not going to go anywhere above that lining.
Okay, so going on to the next color, it's called Hidden, and this is a much darker color than the other color, so I'm just going to apply that to the crease underneath the color that I just blended. And basically this color is just going to give like an illusion that the purple is kind of mixing in or blending in into a fade, and you want that to show, so don't use too much, but the amount that I'm using right here is the perfect amount.
Now I'm gonna begin to cut my crease.
Also, you guys, I forgot to mention that when you're cutting your crease with the concealer, you want to make sure that you don't drag or pull onto your lid. You want to make sure that you're kind of using very light motions so that it's very sensitive to your skin, so you don't end up tugging and making fine lines into that crease. Okay, so moving on to the yellow, this shade is called Beep Boop. I know, like, what kind of name is that? But anyway, this color is very nice. It's very pigmented and yellow. So this is going to probably be the hardest part. And what you want to do is you just want to tap. You want to use tapping motions, because if you're using a dragging motion, the dragging motion will cause patchiness to occur to your lid. So you don't want to do that.
But I'm not going to like drag it anywhere. I'm just going to keep layering it with more and more yellow. I'm gonna apply some eyeliner and mascara.
So after you have applied the yellow to your lid, you want to continue on and apply some eyeliner if you want to, and some mascara. That's only optional. I know a lot of people that don't use mascara or eyeliner on the daily, so just go with whatever you like. I'm going to apply it because I like it.
And around this time, you guys should know to never forget your lower lashes. So I'm going ahead and getting those in too. So I'm just gonna take some purple and go in to my lower line right there. Just kind of line it because that is going to give us a better defined looking eye.
Here's another thing that I failed to mention is that if you guys are not used to wearing makeup in general or mascara in general, you want to do this step before you apply the mascara, or else you'll get mascara all over the place.
So here's another thing that I like to do. I like to take a shimmery color. So in this case, I'm taking this one right here. It's called LMAO. You take that with any kind of brush. I'm using an angled brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone, just in the center of it, and kind of dust it off like that. Again, in the center, and just dust it off like that. So here are the final results.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new videos coming up soon. And of course, most importantly, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.